Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up media encoder for HEVC export compatibility detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Media Encoder on your computer. Ensure you have installed the latest version for optimal compatibility. Import your project by clicking on the plus icon in the Q panel. Select the file you want to encode and click Open. In the Format drop-down menu, choose H.265. Next, click on the Output Name field to set the destination and file name for your export. Choose a location on your hard drive that is easy to find. Once you have your file path set, click Save. Now, navigate to the Video tab in the Settings panel. Check the box for Render at maximum depth to ensure high-quality output. Adjust the bitrate settings according to your needs. For high-quality exports, select a bitrate between 20 and 50 megabits per second. Make sure the profile is set to main or main 10 for better compatibility. Change the level to 5.1 or 5.2 depending on your project requirements. If your video contains audio, switch to the Audio tab. Choose the audio codec that matches your video format, such as AAC. Adjust the sample rate and bitrate for audio quality as needed. Once all settings are configured, click on the Start Queue button to begin the export process. Monitor the progress of your export in the Queue panel. Once the encode is complete, you will receive a notification. Finally, navigate to the location of the exported file to verify the output. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.